did not care about any destination. I was not old enough to worry. You all remember that morning when it was everybody's first day of college. All are very happy but a little bit nervous too. We don't know that what happened in this unknown place. School life had just ended, so we all had new dreams for college life. Till now, we all had just heard this happens and that happens in college. But today, we all going to feel that moments. Everything seemed new, just like everyone said. You all remember that moment when the first time we all sit in a classroom. There was a smile on the faces of everyone. That's the glow of first year. Teachers also scared us, whom seniors said that no, don't worry, it was easy. There was a passion to do something, what we did not know would end later. Then we used to go looking absolutely beautiful. We did not know that this love would also diminish with time. It was just a matter of few days, and then friends also become like themselves. After a few days of nervousness, we all got absorbed in this atmosphere. Now we had to spend more time outside with friends, not working in a classroom. If we reached at college on time, so we had to reach class late. We all entered in class at 10:30 instead of 10 o'clock. Some friend used to get the proxy of other friend because some other friend did not come due to some personal reason. Leave the class and we all go out anywhere with friends. Even if we sit somewhere, we all have a zero interest to sit in classroom. If sometime we sit in a classroom, we all just had making a fun except studies. We also learned the magic here to ready in 10 minutes. We all have many options of our attendances. There is not a single day we all did not abuse our college. After frustrated with everyone, we did not even write applications daily. The faculty threatened not to attend and then had to go to the cabin and make a request. Learn to manage many things at once. We all had a plan to go on a cinema hall during classes. We also thought about mask bunk sometime because of some boring lectures. We were the most free and enjoyed this freedom. We all made projects and assignments at full night. We all opened our books at night before the examination. Again asked syllabus and important chapters, and then again we all got stuck on important questions. After that we did not have any other options except to making chits in exam. We did not care about marks, we all just matter that we are pass or fail. There is no respect of topper student, and that person walked around very proudly who were getting back. We disturbed all the class students to enact the animal voices. There is only one or two students who brings a water bottle, and that bottles were walked in whole class, and that is God who quenched everyone's thirst. We purchased the chips not to eat outside, just to eat inside the class, especially under the table secretly. How bad the condition used to be in front of the class while giving a presentation. It seemed more like stand-up comedy than explaining any topic. Sometimes we just asking notes to other students and we lost our consciousness right there. And then we get friend zone before the Valentine's Day. We never tired to walking in our corridors. Sometimes we just went to library just to seeing views, not go there for reading books. Our college organizing fest at every year. In between them, we all had our internal unit test exams also. What were we made to do in the name of internal marks? Quiz, files, and projects were all made together. It was not like that. We all were disrespect and misbehaved with other peoples. We respect our teachers from the bottom of our hearts. Even then, at the time of Viva, we did not speak a single word. We should not speak too much in front of elders. We also learned this from the beginning. We submitted our assignments on a last date. It's not a big deal because there is no PTM happens in college. We did not even know about class because we wasted our times in making reels and videos. Slowly, we did not even realize that how much our habits were exchanged. We forget the habits of making notes because we have a habits to borrow notes to other students. Everyone was like a family because we made the true friends there. Every day we said something awkward to our college, and that's our right because they torture us. We spend most of the time in canteen and that momos wale bhaiya. Until now we did not pay their money. Genuinely, that 75% attendance frustrated us, and that's the rule most of the students hate. We all had night stay to study, but we wasted it in watching Netflix. We focus a lot on studies, and our teachers also make their 100%. But genuinely, is that type of atmosphere we did not study well. Before exam, YouTube helped us a lot. And then slowly, we did not even realize we all were in a final year. Time passes so quickly. We just came here and now had to leave. In the race of placement, we lost everything. Then we had a less classes, so coming to college also reduced. We feel that we have many burden of responsibilities. The time to live a carefree life is now passing before our eyes. We did not care about any destination. We did not have age to worry. We did not want to go from this place. Now the college life is over. That last day and last moment. But we did not want to lose it so earlier. Now we feel very special in college, and now it's time to leave that place. We thought that what's the next after the admission process of MBA. So we will have to meet these lovely friends again sometime. Everybody distributed everywhere except some peoples, but we did not make that moments ever. We wrote some lines on a college wall. It was not erased between 4 years. Now other students read it and making fun of it. We used to insult our college so much. And today we remember that college. Sometime when we passing through our college, then we leave our whole college life again. We always wanted to get out of here quickly. And today we wish that those moments come back again. We remember that tea we drink with our friends. We remember the wind of that seasons. And we remember that prayers that we do before the exams. Somewhere college was our dream, and then it's us. And then it was unknown place for us. We all were very happy after making their attendances. We come here with unknown identity, and we left here with so many memories. Now when we remembered our college life, and it was fantastic journey of college for us.